morning, Miss.
Good morning, Monica.
Today we are going to do a calculation from the homework that you have done actually this week. So here I see that there are some questions from the flashcard. Can you explain about the action? Like for Tuesday, there are some words here. Can you please explain about this action?
Do you take from teacher?
Yes.
Actually, there is. It's not for this week because they are for week 3 and week 4. It means there is for next week, 2 weeks more.
Oh, but this is from 2 until 6 December.
Yeah,
2 until 6 December.
they are website. Let me see. Can you check it? Oh, this one. Oh, okay. They are
From action first.
for actions. You asked me to mention pain and then look.
I mean, how will you deliver this to the students? Because you classify, right? Action, clothes. I mean, can you explain?
Oh, actually, for this week, Miss, we give the hints to the student directly. We give all the flashcards. We have prepared the videos, and then we play all the videos to show to the students, and then ask the students to follow us to mention the flashcards.
Okay. I mean, because you classify here, right? Action, clothes. So how will you explain this? For example, the first the action. How is it?
Action.
So you ask them to mention.
Yes, because this week is review weeks. We don't explain more. We just mention all the flashcards every day. We mention.
How many flashcards?
All the flashcards.
How many?
We have 5 videos. 5 videos consists all the flashcards.
I mean the amount of the flashcard. How many?
The flashcards. We have 17 flashcards
70.
a week.
Okay. So can you please mention which one? No. Some actions.
Some action for our hands. Actually, Miss, we have divided into tiers. Yes. My projects, some 9 flashcards for mine, and then the rest, the 8 flashcards for my partner.
8 flashcards for
Yeah, for my partner, and mine 9 flashcards.
And then?
And then my interns, they are like forest, jungle, ocean animals, and then insect, clothes, fruits, vegetable, vehicle. And then every flashcard causes different items.
But even though you have divided the flashcard, 9 for you, 8 for your partner, you need to learn also, right? So can you please mention some actions
Some actions.
from the flashcard?
From the flashcard, paint, cook, drink, and then plant.
How about clothes?
Clothes, bag, cap, coat.
Vegetables?
Vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, beet, bitter melon, oh my god, come on, Desi. Because vegetables many items than the other side.
These 9. These are 9.
9, right? Yeah.
What else?
Beetroot. I made it. Oh, what else? Yeah. Sorry, I forget the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Vehicles?
vehicles, ambulance, airplane, and hot air balloons. These are only 3 words. Okay, easy to remember.
Can you explain about read?
Yes?
Can you explain about read? Read.
Read.
Action. Read.
Read line. Read. Pardon, do you mean read?
The meaning, the definition of read.
Read.
Read or reading.
Or read. Okay. When I explain to them. Okay. When you see the, I just give the
Simple words.
simple words. When you see the books and then you open the books and then you can see some sentences or some words. You can. What are you doing? You can read the words, but if you can read, right? Yeah. When we see the books and then we see the words, we read the book. And then what? And then the question is not the definition, as Miss. The question is about what book do you like to read? Example.
Oh,
yeah,
not the
yeah.
definition of reading.
Yeah.
Because here for the questions of the flashcard,
Yeah.
you make the definition
Yeah,
of all the words.
yeah.
That's why I asked. Okay, how about build?
Build. Okay, build. Build is when we imagine something and then we want to make or we want to create something that is built. And then we as teachers, because there are first food and fruits. Cause the first cut are inside almost same. First food, the first cut mentioned about fruits too. Like
Food and fruit.
yeah, food and fruits. Actually, first food it means like pizza, like cake. But inside the first food, no fruits. Same, they are almost same.
Food and fruit.
Yeah. What banana. In fruits, that's banana, right? Black currant, same. They has same items.
Oh, I see. Okay then, how about belt? How will you explain this?
Belt. Belt is the things that the things is color black and long, and then your daddy sometimes always use these clothes, and then your daddy put on to his pants to make his pants become tight.
How about coat?
Coat. When the day is raining, your mommy will put on clothes on you.
How about bead?
Yes, Miss.
Bead.
Beard.
Vegetable.
Oh, beard. Okay, beard. Beard is one of vegetables, and then its color is like purple, dark purple, and then this is good for our health. And then the shape is circle.
How about cabbage?
Cabbage is green vegetables, and then these vegetables we can find in the traditional market.
How about ambulance?
Ambulance. Ambulance is a transportation, one of transportation that we can find in the hospital, and ambulance has siren sounds.
How about arms?
Arms. Okay, arms is a part of our bodies, and then we have 2 arms. The small kids has 2 small arms, and the adult has long arms.
We
insect animals, and then B has B sounds is buzzing.
How about blackcurrant?
Blackcurrant. Okay, blackcurrant is look like green like grapes, but it's bigger than grapes, and the blackcurrant is black color, and then its shape is circle.
Can you mention some ocean animals?
Ocean animals, the giant octopus, and then cuttlefish. I made it. Giant octopus, crab, cuttlefish, and killer whale. And one more.
How will you explain cuttlefish to the student?
Cuttlefish look like squid, and then its color bronze, and then we can find this in the ocean or in the sea.
Clownfish?
Clownfish is kind of clownfish has orange, white. Cuttlefish is in orange and white color, and then when you watch Nemo fish, Finding Nemo, and then Finding Nemo is clownfish.
Can you explain about dragonfly?
Dragonfly is one of insect class, and dragonfly has two wings, and then dragonflies likes to eat leaf.
Can you please mention some jungle animals?
Some jungle animals like bear, yes, hippopotamus, gorilla, okay, sorry because I focused to the report. So I didn't see, I checked out first
Okay. So how will you explain tortoise? That's also one of the jungle animals.
Tortoise. Okay. Tortoise is amphibians animals because tortoise can live on the land, and tortoise can live in oceans.
Okay. Do you have any project?
This week we had three projects.
You said you just review, but you still have the project.
Yeah, we still
Yeah. What kind of project?
They are anchor project like this fish craft.
How will you do about that?
I had prepared the materials, and they just stick glue and arrange the shape. Arranging the shape become fish. Yeah.
How many kinds of materials that you? What are they? I mean,
Material
for the art and craft.
origami. You mean
Origami.
origami is glue, carton, and scissors. Yeah.
Okay. What? One more? The project? What?
Second is vertical life is spreading jam on the bread.
How's it like?
So I prepare jam, spoon, and then bread. So I give instruction to them first. The first we take the bread on our palm, and then we take first a bit jam. We spread the jam on the bread. We cover all. After that, done. And then the third is
Oh, you have one more, yeah. The third, what is that?
special activity.
What is that?
But sesuatu lesson chicks our special activity. Become like play small games and then stand up, sit down, and then they listen what I say and then they touch the parts of body.
Oh, so you give the instruction. Okay, touch it. Oh no.
Yes.
And they will touch the drums. Oh. So before you change it, what was the first special activity?
Can I sit down, play games, small games? Can I sit down?
Okay, so why did you change it?
So somebody said, just make it like that.
Okay. Alright, I think that's all for information for today. Enough for me, actually, you forgot some for the flashcard.
Yeah.
But because almost all, I mean more than that, you can explain, you can develop.
Yeah.
So I think you pass this now. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.